Hey, welcome back everyone. Hey guys, as we know, it's a fish dish. So just to make it simple today, just with some shrimp and pasta, herbs, vegetable. So let's do this. What we need for this dish: spaghetti, and actually we have here started right away boiled water, so we'll add it in with some olive oil and a little bit of olive oil or any kind of oil, greasy, will make the pasta doesn't stuck together, like separate it. It's good as a bird. So let's start with the vegetable first. We need some peppers mix, any color you want, any kind you want, and piece of tomato, clove of garlic, and around 3 green onion. Here it is. Third, use this pepper. So here guys, we will add some olive oil. So we'll add the mixed pepper and the green onion. Piece tomato, very thin, as much as you can. Join in, and cloves of garlic, not very small, but slivers. So when it starts to smell it, we will add garlic, just 3/4 spoon, and tomato. And we will add the shrimp. The shrimp will take the orange color. By the way, the shrimp it's unshelled, skin off. So we'll turn this off now. It's almost like al dente, more than half cooked. So I'll keep it a little bit in the hot water, but I turn it off until we see what's going on here.
Oh, that looks good.
And almost when the shrimp turn the color like this kind of orange color, we'll add 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper, a little bit of turmeric, half teaspoon paprika, a little bit of white pepper, 2 teaspoons of seasoned salt, 1 full teaspoon garlic, and the same onion powder, and hot pepper paste. And small cup of heavy cream, 10%. Oh, watch out, baby. Watch out, baby! Get the plate. Did you smell that? Cilantro or mint, it's choice. I will choose the mint. Work both ways, because I love it with cilantro, but most of people like mint more than cilantro. This is how always the complaint came from, cilantro taste. Add some more fresh mint leaf. Boom, boom. Look at this color. Want to try?
Yeah.
Stop it.
The fresh lemon, the seafood.
Hey, now I think I'm done with you guys. Have to go. Bye. This is mud pasta shrimp.